to be very frank with you, I think T. Bailey is like family, and that's real.
So when I first started here, I had welded before, but coming in, starting as just a welder, worked up to doing more fitting and all, and then actually into the lead position after that. Typical days, you come in, we have our safety meeting first thing every morning with everybody. And that way it gets everybody on the same page to know what each group's doing around the shops. Then we break up into the smaller groups, go over our individual jobs of, maybe, okay, what are we going to get cut today? What's getting fit for the next job? And who's going to be welding on those jobs, throughout the day. And, that may follow suit for a couple of days, but then we may have a job come in, in the middle of that where we have to stop, pull a person off, they go to weld that, and, we just reposition with it. There's a lot of variety. There's anything from individual parts that go on tanks and different pieces we've done to literally building the entire tank right here within the shop. The main thing I really like is it's a lot of different jobs and different things each day. I mean, you may repeat some things over time, but it's just not the same repetition in and out every day, the same part or widget. It's always something new, something interesting. Different guys work with you or show you different ways of doing things where they've done it in the past or things that work better. So we want everybody in the shop to be as qualified on as much equipment as we can. The more you know, the better you're able to be placed in different areas, not just the fitting, not just welding, but there's the crane operation, the cutting, the beveling, forming material. There's like all different jobs throughout the shop that we do. I believe this is like probably one of the best shops I've ever worked at. A lot of people look at different things, they come in and think, well, it's just a job and I'm going to do this and go home and this and that and all. But I mean, we look at it more of, of what you're doing here and where you can set up, okay, do I really want to have a full career here?
I think the company has been really good to me. It's helped me grow as not only as a person, but it's just learning new tools, learning new skills, and I'm still learning.